Before tutorial begins, kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.
Hi friends, now we want to look at URL redirection. How you can use it, how you can use the add-on on your website. Now here we go. So let's go straight over. Okay, let me firstly open my website. This is my website. So this is my website manager. So let me open my website first. Now as you can see my website, it opens perfectly. So it doesn't redirect to any place. So we want to do URL redirection add-on. So how you can use it to redirect your old website to the new website. Like for example, maybe on this website you are tired or you don't want to use this platform or you want to use another website. So you want to redirect your users from this place to another website. So that's what I want to do now. Now go back to your website manager. Click here to go to website manager. Now after that, click on add-ons. So we don't want this. Just click on this plus to install new add-on. Then search URL director or URL. Just search URL. Now it shows this URL redirection. Now you install it. Good. Now it's telling me to add redirect link. So let me click on this. Any link you put here will be redirected to. So I put samorabot.com. Let me use sabis.com or sabis.com/demo. Any link you like and put here. So let me /demo. Enter. Now let me go back to my website. This is my website. Let us assume I refresh. And I can see where it takes me to. Now let's try to add on that link. So click on this. Let me use samorabot.com. So we are going to check our website again and see where it will direct us to. So in my website, upon. Now you can see, so it redirects me to samorabot.com. So that is the simplest way to redirect your users from old website to your new website. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.